It is already time to start thinking about fall garden planning and preparation. So we are putting together this circular raised bed. It comes with 6 panels, protective gloves, all the components that you need to bolt together everything, and the protective rim. So I have started indoors because it feels like seriously 108 degrees outside, but it's only like 80 something here in South Texas. So I've already started to bolt together the panels. All the panels came protected with a cover on top of each panel. So I was happy about that because nothing is scratched. And this is the like wood texture type of panel, which I think is really cool. You don't typically see that. You're like looking at green or white or just that galvanized silver look, but this should blend in really well with the rest of our garden. So I've already started bolting everything, as you can see. So I'm going to finish up these panels and then we'll take it outside and show you what it looks like. All right, all built. So I got all the panels put together and then I put the protective lining on the rim. So that goes all the way around. Overall, this build was super easy for someone like myself that is not good at building things and usually passes it on to my husband. This was super easy. Anyone can do this. All you need is the supplies that they provided, nothing else. Maybe a pair of scissors to cut this, but that's about it. But you can see how good that looks against like the rocks and everything that we have going on. So I'm just gonna find a spot for this in our garden, and I'm not gonna fill it up right now because it's way too hot to put our fall plants in, but I am dedicating this to fall herbs. So like our dill, our lettuce, that kind of stuff. So that's gonna make a really good raised bed container for it. Overall, really happy with the ease of the build, the look and quality. Just makes it a really great option for starting off your garden, especially if you're like me and you're just building out right now and need to establish things. So y'all check this out. Hope you like it as much as I have.